In this video, I'll show you how to understand Shopify Payouts. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside, go to Settings and click on Payments. Next, look for the Shopify Payments section and click on View Payouts. This is where you can see all the money Shopify has sent to your bank account. After that, you will see a list of payouts with dates, amounts, and statuses. Each payout represents money from your store sales after fees and processing times. Now click on any payout to view the detailed breakdown. You can see which orders are included, what fees were deducted, and the final amount sent to your bank. Next, understand the payout schedule. Shopify usually sends payouts automatically on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis depending on your settings and country. After that, check the status of each payout. A payout can be pending, in transit, or paid. Pending means it is still being processed, and paid means the money has already been sent to your bank. Now make sure your bank account details are correct in the payment settings to avoid delays. Finally, compare your orders page with your payouts page to fully understand how your sales are converted into deposits in your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to understand Shopify Payouts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.